Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor and today I'm going to unbox and review Honor box for October month. So this is the box which I've received and this is my first Honor box, and in this video I'll be announcing the winner for my giveaway, but that I'll do in the end. Before that, let me just show you what all products I have received in my Honor box. So this one is the blue box. So yes, Honor box has two editions. One is the green box, second one is this. So the price for blue one is 699 rupees. And now let me just quickly open this and show you what all products I have received. So wow, the packing is really nice in these pouches. It's really pretty. And now let me just start with product number one. So this one is the first one. Wow, it's a pretty earring set. Okay, these are the earrings. Wow, they are so pretty. And gold, yes, it's really nice gold. And let me just wear one of these so you guys can have an idea. Wow, this is the look and they look so pretty. Wow, I'm loving it. The quality and everything is really nice. It's really nice. I don't think so this will the stones and everything will come off that easily. See, you can just have a look, closer look of. So these are pretty nice. I love it. This is the first product. The second is these pearl earrings. Wow. So these are the earrings. Let me just show you. These are the earrings. Second earring, and let me just wear one of these. So the best thing about these one is that if you want to wear them alone, you can just wear this single pearl, and if you want to wear the whole thing, like the whole earring, then you can wear the whole earring. So that way it's nice. I quite like the design that way, because sometimes it's like you don't want to wear the full earring, you just want to wear a single pearl. Wow, the pattern is so beautiful. It's so nice. Very nice, very stylish, very nice. This will look great with kurtis, with western dresses especially. Yes, this will look amazing with tops, with dresses, with kurtis also you can wear this. So it's beautiful. The next is, let me just take out it. Okay, these are heavy jhumkis. Yes, wow, looks really nice. So these are the silver jhumkis with white small pearls here, and yes, it's looking really pretty. Let me just wear one of these and I'll show you the look. So oops, this one is not coming out. Let me just the quality is, let me just tell you, the quality is really nice. It's really amazing and it's quite shiny. It has some stones here. It's really nice, and this will look very good with saris, with heavy suits, or with light kurtis also. Wow, so this is the look. They look so beautiful. I totally love it. And I don't have such jewelry right now because I mostly order, or I mostly have received some western jewelry. These are like Indian jewelry. You can wear these on Indian outfits, and this will go with like plain kurtis also. And yeah, I'm not sure this will go with the dress or not, but yeah, I will try to mix and match. It's looking nice with this dress, but yeah, I will try to mix and match, and I will if it works, then I will wear like the combination in my next video. So the next one is okay, these are 3 rings, I guess, 3 or 4 rings. Okay, these are 3 different rings. So let me just wear one by one. This is the first ring. Let me just remove mine. So this is the first ring. This one is the second ring, and this one is the third ring. So these are the 3 rings I have received. So you can just style them up like whatever pattern, whatever way you want to wear them. If you want to wear them single, you can wear them. If you want to wear something like this, you can, obviously. So it totally depends on your style, in what pattern you want to wear these rings. They are pretty nice. Material wise, it's really nice, and you can see the shine and everything is quite nice, and the stone and everything, it's quite nice. This is like really nice. So this will not really come off. The Swarovski, small Swarovski, I don't think so it will really that easily come off. So that way they are really nice. And now the last one is this, I guess. Let me just Okay, so it's a neck piece, and let me just take out the neck piece. Wow, it has a long, not really a chain, but yeah, long thread kind of a chain, and this is the pendant, and it's really nice. It's multicolored. It's nice, blue, red, green, oxidized silver it has, and the chain or the thread is like in brown color, so it's quite nice. And this is the pattern, and it's quite big, so I can't show you. Okay, just see this, it's really nice. The quality again is very good, so I'm very happy with Honor box. This is my first box, as I told you, and yes, I'm quite happy with this. The quality is really nice, and the jewelry is very beautiful. So that's all about jewelry. And yes, one more thing is there. This is a candle, very beautiful candle, so, and really like packed really nicely. So I'm not really opening this. I will open this on Diwali, and I'm gonna decorate my house with this. Like, I will keep this somewhere. So yes, I'm not really opening it. It's a beautiful red color candle. And yeah, that's all what I have received in my Honor box, and I've told you the price is 699 rupees, and I have received such a beautiful jewelry. So I think this box is a big thumbs up, and my first experience is amazing. I'm very happy with this. So now it's time to announce the lucky winner, but before that I want to thank each and everyone. Thank you. I know I can't thank you enough for making it so nice, because it's such an amazing feeling to have such a beautiful family. So I'm really thankful to God, and I'm really thankful to you guys. Thank you for loving me unconditionally, and that's the reason I have done this giveaway. And I promise you, right now I'm just giving 3 giveaways, like 3 bundles, but I promise you that I will keep doing some nice giveaways for you guys, because yes, I love you too, and I want to show my love towards you guys. So that's the reason I have done this giveaway, and I will keep doing more giveaways. So for that, stay connected, and it's now time to announce the 3 lucky winners. So right now the 3 lucky winners are, the first one is Shambhavi Dondal, and I'm really sorry, Shambhavi, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. So yes, forgive me for that. So first one is Shambhavi Dondal, the second one is Juhi Jasmine, and the third one is Nidhi Sharma. So these are the 3 lucky winners. Congratulations to each and everyone, and thank you all of you. Thank you for supporting me, thank you for loving me, and as I promised you that I will keep doing some nice giveaways for you. Yes, so very soon I'm going to announce my next giveaway. Stay connected for that. So today that's it for today, and thank you for watching the video. Stay connected, and with lots of love. Bye bye.